Hello, welcome to English Made Simple. I am Luna. This is Lesson 1. I am so happy you are here today. Together, we will learn English step by step, slowly and with lots of practice. You can do this. I believe in you. Today, in this lesson, we will learn numbers in English. Numbers 1 to 20. 20 numbers. These are very important words. You use numbers every day. When you count, when you shop, when you talk about your age, you need numbers. So let us begin. Are you ready? Let us start with number 1. 1, say it with me. 1, 1, 1, good. 1, I have 1 apple. 1, say it again. 1, number 2, 2. Say it with me. 2, 2, 2. Great. 2, I have 2 eyes. 2, one more time. 2, number 3, 3. Say it with me. 3, 3. 3, wonderful. 3, I have 3 books. 3, again. 3, number 4, 4. Say it with me. 4, 4, 4. Perfect. 4. There are 4 chairs. 4. One more time. 4, number 5, 5. Say it with me. 5, 5, 5. Excellent. 5. I have 5 fingers on one hand. 5. Again. 5. Very good. You are doing so well. Let us continue. Number 6. 6. Say it with me. 6. 6, 6, 6. I see 6 birds. 6. Again. 6. Number 7. 7. Say it with me. 7. 7. 7. There are 7 days in a week. 7. One more time. 7. Number 8. 8. Say it with me. 8. 8. 8. I eat 8 grapes. 8. Again. 8. Number 9. 9. Say it with me. 9. 9. 9. There are 9 cats. 9. One more times. 9. Number 10. 10. Say it with me. 10. 10. 10. I have 10 fingers. 10. Again. 10. Oh, you are amazing. We have learned 10 numbers already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say them all with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Very good. Now let us learn 10 more numbers. Numbers 11 to 20. These are a little longer, but you can do it. I know you can. Number 11. 11, say it with me. 11, 11, 11. 11 students are in the class. 11, again. 11. Number 12. 12, say it with me. 12, 12, 12. There are 12 months in a year. 12, one more time. 12. Number 13. 13, say it with me. 13, 13, 13. I am 13 years old. 13. Again. 13. Number 14. 14, say it with me. 14, 14, 14. There are 14 days in 2 weeks. 14. One more time. 14, number 15. 15. Say it with me. 15. 15, 15, I have 15 books. 15, again. 15, wonderful. Let us keep going. We are almost there. Number 16. 16, say it with me. 16, 16, 16. There are 16 apples in the basket. 16, one more time. 16, number 17. 17, say it with me. 17, 17. 17, she is 17 years old. 17, again. 17, number 18. 18, say it with me. 18, 18, 18. He has 18 coins. 18, one more time. 18, number 19. 19, say it with me. 19, 19, 19. There are 19 students in the room. 19. Again, 19. And our last number today, number 20. 20. Say it with me. 20, 20, 20. I have $20. 20. One more time. 20. You did it. That is amazing. Now let us say all 20 numbers together. Are you ready? This is great practice. Say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful. You are so good. I am very proud of you. Now let me ask you something. Can you say these numbers? Let us try together one more time, but a little faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, that is perfect. Okay, now let us review. Let me say a number in English and you repeat it. Ready? 5, say it. 5, good. 13. Say it. 13. Good. 8, say it. 8, good. 20, say it. 20, wonderful. 11, say it. 11, perfect. 3, say it. 3, great. 17, say it. 17, very good. 1, say it. 1, excellent. You are learning so fast. I am so happy for you. Let me also show you how we use numbers in real life. When someone asks, "How old are you?" you can say, "I am 20 years old." Or, "I am 15 years old." Or, "I am 8 years old." The number comes after the words, "I am." Or when someone asks, "How many apples do you have?" you say, "I have 6 apples." Or, "I have 12 apples." The number comes before the thing you are counting. Numbers are everywhere. On the clock, in the store, in a phone number, in your age. You will use these every day. So today, after this lesson, practice these numbers. Count things around you. Count the chairs in your room. Count the windows. Count the books. Say the number out loud in English. Let us do one final review together. I will say the number in order. You say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. You are doing so well. I am really proud of you. So today in Lesson 1, we learned the numbers 1 to 20 in English. You can say all 20 numbers now. That is a great achievement. Write these numbers down. Practice them tonight. Say them in the morning. Say them before you sleep. In Lesson 2, we will learn the letters of the English alphabet, A, B, C, and more. The alphabet is the foundation of English. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching today. You are wonderful. Keep practicing. Keep going. You are on the right path. Please subscribe to English Made Simple for a new English lesson every day. Click the bell so you never miss an upload. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Keep smiling and keep learning.